The star of the show, it's Boomer! Well, hello everyone! Welcome to White Post Farms! Is everybody having a great time here today? There are so many cool and amazing things to do and see here today. White Post Farms has everything! Have you guys checked out the giraffes? Or the zebras? And have you tried a hayride yet? Those are so cool. And don't forget, you get to go pick out a pumpkin. When you guys go home today, make sure you tell your friends and neighbors about the amazing time you had here at White Post Farms. There's so many cool shows here. And wait a minute, speaking of shows, we better get this one started. I gotta get you kids all ready for the show. Now, how can I do that? Oh yeah, I got a great idea. Let's have a dance party. Okay kids, stand up and dance along with me. Whoopa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Whoopa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Hey Boomer. What's all that noise upstairs? I'm downstairs trying to watch some TV and relax. Oh, that's right, kids. I forgot. That's my best friend. He's hanging out down in the basement. Let me introduce him to you and see if he'll come up. All right, kids, make a drum roll sound. He's the king of county fairs. He's the titan of telling jokes. He's a friend to all farmers, and he's pretty weird looking. Hey, I heard that. It's the one and only Oscar! Hey, I didn't know I had so many friends and fans up here that wanted to see me. Hey everybody, you did a great job getting him up. Can we all say, hi, Oscar? Oh, hello everyone. Hey, Boomer! What's going on, man? Not much, Oscar. I was just going to start telling the kids all about farming, agriculture, and animals. Oh, that sounds like fun! Hey, you know I've been working on some new jokes for the show, right? Would you guys like to hear one? Okay, this is a really good one. What did the mommy cow say to the baby cow? It's past your bedtime. Haha, get it? Pasture, like the fields pasture? No? Nobody? Okay, Boomer. Let me go downstairs and work on some new jokes for the show. Bye-bye, kids. I said bye-bye, kids. I told you Oscar was silly. I'm sure that's not the last time we're going to see him during this show. Well, now we can start learning about agriculture and farming. Boy, there's just so much to teach. Where to begin? Hey, Boomer, wait a minute. What have you been doing today? Well, Oscar, I've just been running all around, petting animals, hanging out, getting dirty on the farm. Oh, really? Well, maybe the first thing you should do is set a good example to the kids and wash your hands. Good idea, Oscar. Hey, kids, he's right. When you're out playing with your friends and getting all dirty, make sure you wash your hands when you get home before you have dinner and stuff like that. And always use soap, just like me. Oh no! I spilled the soap! Hey kids, come over here and help me pop all these bubbles. That way we can continue with the show. Ah, what's going on up there? There's bubbles coming after me. A chicken! They're all over the farm! I have no idea what you're talking about. What does a chicken look like? Well, Oscar, they're pretty small. They have sharp claws for feet, a beak, they lay eggs, and they have feathers. Feathers? I know what those are. I found one today. Hold on, let me go look for it. It's downstairs. Here it is.
Oh no, that's a toilet brush. Is this it? Nope. Ah, I found it. Here's my feather.
Hey, Oscar! Watch out with that feather! It's going by my nose! It's tickling my nose! Oh no! Huh? Huh? Well, Oscar, when you put that feather around my face, it touched my nose and tickled it, and that makes me sneeze. So make sure you don't do that again.
Okay, Boomer. I definitely won't do that again.
Okay, where were we? We were talking about chickens, right? Hey, wait a minute! Oscar, stop it! Oh no! Achoo! Oscar, stop messing around and get up here. We need to teach these kids about chickens. Now, Oscar, do you know what sound a chicken makes?
Oh, yes, I do, Boomer. It goes moo.
Boys and girls, is that right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. I saw some chickens in the barn earlier. They go cluck, 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 and then they poop.
What did you say, Oscar?
I said the chickens, they go cluck, 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 and then they poop.
Hey, everybody, we need to teach Oscar what a chicken sounds like. So at the count of 3, as loud as you can, make a crazy chicken noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, everybody. Now, let's sing a song for Oscar so he doesn't forget.
What is the most musical part of a chicken? The drumstick.
All right, time to talk about our next farm animal, cows. I love cows. Did you know there's around 9.5 million cows that are being milked on 110,000 farms in the United States? And cows can drink about a bathtub full of water and eat around 40 pounds of food per day. Hey, Oscar, do you know what sound a cow makes?
Oh, yes, I do. It goes moo. And then it poops.
Hey,
Where does a cow go for entertainment? The movies. Hey, Boomer, I'll be right back. Please keep an eye on the apple pie I am baking in the oven.
oh, check that out, kids. Oscar's baking an apple pie. Do you guys like apples? Apples are grown in all 50 states. And did you know that there's over 7,500 varieties of apples? Wow! It would take you over 20 years if you ate 1 apple a day. Oh no! We left the apples in the oven too long and we burned them. Oh, and this smoke is going in my nose. Achoo! Hey, Oscar, you better get up here. We burnt the cake.
Oh, that's okay, Boomer. Well, what should we do now?
Hey, kids, we're going to play a fun farm game. I'm going to show you an animal, and you have to do the sound they make. And be sure to make plenty of noise, okay? Here we go. What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a cow make? What sound do bees make? What sound does a pig make? And what sound do sheep make? Wow, you guys did excellent. I'm gonna give you all an A+. What is a sheep's
Is he not tied
favorite
holding it?
game? Badminton. Those are some pretty silly jokes, Oscar. Hey, you kids did so good, I'm gonna reward you with more bubbles!
So you got it.
Hey, Oscar, the show is almost done. Do you have any more jokes